Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to guide you through changing your email address in the Quizlet app. If you ever need to update your email for account security or personal preference, this video will show you exactly. First, open the Quizlet app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner. Then, click on your settings. Inside the settings menu, you will see the email option. Tap on email to start the process of updating it. After that, click on Continue with Google. Next, enter your new email address carefully. Once you have entered the new email, click on the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen. Quizlet will then send a confirmation email to your new address. After receiving the confirmation email, open it and click on the Confirm button to verify your new email. And log in with your account. Your email will now be updated and your account is ready to use with the new email address. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful guides.